everyone, welcome back to my super colorful channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Sugarpill Fun Size palette. I'll do a tutorial for this look where, by the way, I used all of the shades except one, then also of course the arm swatches and the review. Just keep on watching, don't forget to subscribe, and by the way, on my Instagram I already have 2 other makeup looks already done with this palette, posted with the eye close-ups and stuff. So if you're interested in what else you can do with this palette, just check them out. Anyway, let's start with the arm swatches, shall we? Oh, and of course I'm going to show you the close-up of the palette when it was still untouched. Priming my arm with the eye primer for the swatches, layer 1, 8-bit and cheat code. Rage quit, level up and twitch. Game over, high score and continue. So here are all the colors. As you can see, some of them of course show up a bit less on my skin, but that's just because they're closer to my skin tone, not because they're less pigmented. Let's remove that, shall we? No staining. The tutorial for this look is coming up in a moment. In the meantime, here is my review on the formula. I think this one is one of the best palettes ever. I wanted to say one of the best palettes launched this year, but honestly it's one of the best palettes ever. You know me guys, if I don't like a product or if I don't like something about the product, I always say it. And here, no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't find any flaws with it. I'm not a very matte eyeshadow type of person. If you know me, you know that I prefer metallics and shimmers, but these babies are something. They're super pigmented, super blendable, they apply like a dream. They're long lasting. There was no creasing for the first look that I was wearing for almost the whole day. There is also no staining, there is almost zero fallout. Everything is just perfect. And I honestly hope that Sugarpill comes up with more palettes like this, preferably also in fun size, because I love carrying it around in my bag and it's also very travel friendly. And probably they could do some dark colors or some wildly electric colors, because these are kind of pastel. I will not say exactly pastel because that presumes that all the colors should be light. Here not all the colors are light, but they're not saturated to the maximum. Anyway, if you're a color loving person, I'm sure that you will not be disappointed by this palette. Besides, for $28 you get to try 9 awesome eyeshadows, which I honestly think is a great deal. And on this happy note, let's proceed to the tutorial. I already have my eyes primed with a transparent primer. It's blending time. Hardly any fallout. I will remove the tiny bit of fallout that I have, a bit of concealer. Now priming the lower lid. While the primer is setting, I will apply the mascara. Of course I had to poke myself in the eye with the mascara wand, so now I have some mascara here on the lower lid, but I will cover it up anyway. Now let's blend the lower lid a tiny bit. Now I will do my lip makeup and then apply some color to my waterline. For the lips, I'm also using a Sugarpill liquid lipstick in the color called Spank. I also have a swatch and review video for the same lipstick in the bullet form, which you can find in the description box. Then I will take the Lime Crime Strip Diamond Crusher, apply a tiny bit of it to my finger and distribute it slightly in the middle of the lips. Because I want to add just a tiny bit of sparkle, but not a lot. Lastly, I will add some fresh green to my waterline. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial guys, the swatches and the review. Don't forget to check out my 2 other looks with this fun size palette on my Instagram page, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye loves, thank you for watching.